Are you in the industrial construction sector and struggling with the complexities of design and project management? Many in the industry face similar hurdles, from navigating regulatory compliance to ensuring efficient project execution. These challenges can lead to delays, inflated budgets, and ultimately unmet deadlines. Introducing our specialized industrial construction design and consultant services. We understand the intricacies of your industry and are here to help you navigate every phase of your project. Our expert team collaborates closely with you to design tailored solutions that not only meet regulatory standards but also optimize efficiency and reduce costs. From initial concept and design to final execution, we provide comprehensive support that keeps your project on schedule and within budget. We leverage advanced technology and industry best practices to ensure you achieve the highest quality results without the usual headaches. Take the first step towards smoother, more efficient operations. To know more details, contact us today to get free consultation or visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.